In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made these healthy, delicious banana muffins. We're going to be using 3 ripe bananas, baking powder, date sugar, pure vanilla extract, ground nutmeg, ground cinnamon, oat flour, oat milk, salt, and a flax egg. First, I'm going to be breaking up the bananas, putting them in my Ninja, also adding the vanilla extract and 1/4 cup of almond milk and blending it. I am now going to be adding all the dry ingredients to a medium size mixing bowl and mixing everything together. It is now time to add all the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix everything up thoroughly. I am now adding the batter to a cupcake paper-lined muffin pan using my ice cream scooper. It ended up being enough batter for only 10 muffins. I am going to take a toothpick and stick it in the middle of the muffin, and it came out clean, so it's done. I'm now placing the muffins on a rack so that they will be able to cool evenly. The ingredients to this recipe is going to be linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys on my next upload.